How to send view once photos on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send view once photos on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just open the chat where you want to send the photo. And now here, once you're inside the chat, just tap on the camera icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the camera section, just tap on the camera shutter button to take a new photo. And here, once you have taken the photo, at the bottom right side you will see the one icon. So there you can just tap on it and this will activate the disappearing media mode. And here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on send button. Now here the receiver can only view the photo once. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.